You wake up and your body immediately feels heavy. Your joints are stiff, your skin lacks its usual glow, and before the day even begins, you feel exhausted. In Ayurveda, these physical symptoms point to a single root cause, a drop in your Ojas, the internal reserve of vitality and immunity that regulates your energy and skin health. To rebuild that reserve, we look to a 70-year-old tradition used by practitioners for decades, a warm nightly drink of milk and Makhana, also known as Foxnuts. This formula requires 5 specific ingredients. You need 1 glass of milk, a handful of Makhana, a spoonful of Desi ghee, a few strands of saffron, and a pinch of cardamom powder. Before starting the preparation, tell us your age and city in the comments. It helps us see who is joining this health community. Resolving these morning ailments requires addressing the underlying Ojas deficit using this specific combination of ingredients. First, place a pan on low heat and add exactly 1 teaspoon of Desi ghee. Wait for the ghee to warm up completely before adding your handful of raw Makhana. Maintain low heat and slow roast the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Stop when the Makhana turn a light, crispy golden brown. Makhana contains a flavonoid called camphorol. As shown in this diagram, these molecules bind to and reinforce the collagen fibers within your skin tissue. This compound slows down cellular aging and provides the raw materials your body needs to boost its natural skin collagen production. Roasting the Makhana in ghee activates its gut-healing resistant starch and these anti-aging compounds, making them ready for digestion. Now pour 1 glass of milk directly into the hot pan over the roasted Makhana. Immediately add the pinch of cardamom powder and 2 to 3 saffron strands. This combination is a safety requirement. Eating raw Makhana alone can introduce high levels of oxalates into the body. In large quantities, these oxalates can crystallize, which is a primary cause of kidney stones. This chart shows the chemical reaction during boiling. The milk calcium physically binds to the Makhana oxalates, forming a neutral compound. This process safely flushes the oxalates from your system, leaving the remaining pure calcium free to be absorbed by your joints. Boiling Makhana in milk converts it into a highly bioavailable joint lubricator, while neutralizing the risks associated with raw consumption. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. You will see the milk take on a yellow saffron tint, and the Makhana will visibly plump up as it absorbs the liquid. Pour the hot mixture into a glass for consumption. It is important to chew the softened Makhana slowly rather than swallowing them whole to ensure proper digestion. For adults, the protocol is to consume this drink exactly 1 hour before you go to sleep. Both ingredients contain the amino acid tryptophan. This flowchart shows how your brain converts tryptophan into serotonin, which then transitions into the sleep hormone melatonin. Following this chemical pathway helps the body achieve deep, uninterrupted nighttime sleep. For children and teenagers, the timing changes. They should have this drink in the morning with their breakfast. The time you drink it determines its function. It acts as a neurological sleep aid at night and a steady, slow-releasing energy source for developing youth in the morning. The drink is now ready to serve as a restorative tool for your health. Ayurvedic remedies do not work overnight. They require a sustained, habitual commitment to see the full benefits. A 21-day continuous routine is the first benchmark. During these 3 weeks, you should notice initial improvements in your daytime energy, sleep, and skin texture. Maintaining this habit for 60 to 90 days provides the sustained nutritional support needed for long-term joint health and immune strength. Comment below if you are committing to starting this protocol tonight. Adopting this daily ritual is the foundational step to rebuilding your internal vitality and maintaining health for years to come.